everyone, and this is Thalia sharing some wisdom. I was trying to declutter some things, and every year when I do my new feng shui for the new year, I notice when I have a hard time to go to the particular corner or area, for instance, southeast or northwest, and I leave it for tomorrow, then I know is something going on there. The energy is stuck and I need to remove it. So I did my whole house, but those two corners, they were really, I find thousand excuses to not do it. So I know why. So so I create, and I've been really listening to Scott Bryan also, and he mentioned that also. So the affirmation, it will be, I am organized. Just keep repeating. I was keep repeating, just even for a half an hour. And by the end of the day, 9 o'clock yesterday, I did it. So I am organized. I am organized. I remove the clutter from my life that blocks my incredible life to shine upon me. It's very easy. So, but then there are some the codes. Some they are amazing codes. So I start writing those. So for the organization, it is 72. So when I said I am organized, I use the numbers 72, 80, 44, 311. Again, 72, 80, 44, 311. And for the decluttering, it is 70, 72, 10090. Again, 70, 72, 10090. And start cleaning. I mean, I get up this morning, I felt so good. I dress with my gold. I said Sunday, I drink my coffee on my gold cup. I'm telling you, it's amazing how fast it works. I wish you a happy decluttering, because we have to start it from the mind, decluttering the mind. So it was something there stuck in the energy of those two areas in my living room and dining room. I love you all, and I wish you a huge receiving from your decluttering.